Alright, what's up you guys? My name is Nita and I'm the owner of Nita's Fluid Woodworks. You see what I'm holding right here. If you follow me, you know who this is. You know what this is and you know probably what this video is going to be about. I find it very, very, very important to make this video because in doing the things that we do on a daily basis, these are things that when I had my accident, I had 7 minutes to get to the daycare to pick up my kids, but I knew that this takes me like a minute. This takes me like a minute and a half. It'll take me longer to set up than it will to make these cuts with this router, and I'll be on my way to get my kids. Well, that's not what happened. I'll show you who the culprit is. And I'm not showing anybody the video. I'm not doing all that. I don't even know if this is allowed on here. But I am gonna. So yeah, it's still got my juju on it. And this is the bit. That's the bit. And there's still parts of me on there. This is my scar. So it wraps right around and I went right into my artery. So December 6th, 4:23 p.m. was life-changing for me. I got in a fight with the router and I want to take this time. A lot of people keep asking me like, what happened? Were you doing something different? Did you do something? Like, I did things that I do every day, and now I move different with my tools. Like, this ain't the first little shop accident, you know what I mean? Like, we all get cut, we all get this, we all get that. But this, seconds more and I could have lost my life. Like, they told me, like, that I hit my artery, and I didn't know if I would ever create again. I didn't know if I could be the same mom again, you know what I mean? Like, that was heavy. So people keep asking me what happened. So I was using my router and I was doing a template. I didn't get my router table out. I don't really use that. I just use this. So just stuff I do every day. So the cord was tight. So I remember the cord was tight. I was using this bench right here. This one. The cord was tight was tight over here. I turned the router on and I went to go pull to loosen I was pulling to loosen the wire, the cord, and it hit the wood before I was ready to touch anything. And it was like a split second. Sorry, there's a bee in here. So it was like a split second. Like, I didn't want to hit the wood. I didn't even think that I was close to the wood. Like, I was just pulling it to loosen it up. And I usually pull my leg out, and I do that if the cord is tight. I do it all the time. Like, but it's just that getting complacent and like, I don't know. Things inside of me were saying, just go get the kids. And then I turned around and I was like, no, this is going to take me like a minute. I'm going to do this right now. And when I did that, it hit the wood. Let's see. It went here, here, and then here. And they said not even one more second and I would have been unalived. If you want to see the photos, I'll show the photos. If you don't like blood or anything like that, look away. Here they are. Alright, so this is about an hour after the incident. This is me at the hospital. Yes, I'm the one recording it. My wife was at home with the kids. This is the day I was supposed to get into surgery, but I ended up having to wait almost a week to get into surgery. This is when the first time I saw it after surgery that I immediately went down to U of M and got a second opinion and continued care down there. So yeah. Alright. I kind of look like Thing off of Addams Family a little bit. That's just, nobody should have to ever go through that. Okay, so after seeing that, I just want you guys to know, like, be careful. Be careful. be aware, be conscious of everything you're doing. I always preach, these are not toys, these are tools. Safety first, and it happens to the best of us and to the worst of us. Like, it just happens. It's freak accidents, and it's not a joke. It's very serious, and I just want to tell you guys, like, be careful. Just stay aware, be on your toes. If something's telling you to not do something, I listen to that now. That's your intuition talking, and it doesn't really steer you wrong as long as you know what you're listening for. And hopefully this video can stay up. I'm not even sure. Yeah. Alright, you guys. I think everybody that came together in that time to, like, rally, all the community that rallied together to make it possible for me to heal and still take care of my babies. Like, you guys are amazing for that. Just be careful in your workshops, okay? Alright, you guys. I'm out. Subscribe, follow, like, share, don't. We'll see y'all next time.